Now we will practice finding the domain and range of linear functions. First, let's graph this given function. Our slope is 3 over 1, and our y-intercept is -1. So if I start at -1 for my y-intercept, and I go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, going backwards, left 1, down 3. Now we can graph this line. Now looking at this line, we're asking ourselves, what are all the possible x values that are represented by this line? Keeping in mind that this keeps on going forever in this direction and forever in this direction, we can see that this line covers all real numbers for both x and y. So domain and range include all real numbers. So if I want to look at domain for x in inequality notation, our x values go all the way from -infinity and keep going to positive infinity. We cannot equal infinity because it's not a number, it's an idea. And our range goes from -infinity for our y all the way up to positive infinity. Now, in interval notation, we would represent the domain as starting at -infinity and ending at positive infinity. But we're going to put parentheses around those to show that we do not equal infinity or -infinity. And our range in interval notation also starts at -infinity and ends at positive infinity. So these are new notations for domain and range, inequality notation and interval notation to represent all possible x and y values included in the domain and range.